Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to Chemistry, Garbage In, Garbage Out. Which of the following is a friend of the farmer? Which of the following is a friend of the farmer? Red worms, earthworms, moth, mosquitoes. The answer is earthworms. Which of the following is the method of preparing composite with the help of red worms? Which of the following is the method of preparing composite with the help of red worms? Recycling, vermicompositing, compositing, both B and C. The answer is vermicompositing. The process of converting kitchen garbage into composite with the help of red worms is known as vermicompositing. Which of the following helps the red worms to grind their food? Which of the following helps the red worms to grind their food? Teeth, gizzard, mouth, hands. It is gizzards. Red worms do not have teeth. They have structures called gizzard, which help them to grind their food. Which of the following can be recycled? Which of the following can be recycled? Leather shoes, food wastes, plastic wraps, newspapers. The answer is newspapers. Used and outdated materials cannot be recycled are known as recyclable materials. Only papers in the list of the materials can be recycled, and others cannot be recycled. What will happen if we add milk preparations, salt, and vinegar to waste pits as food for red worms? What will happen when we add milk preparations, salt, and vinegar to waste pits as foods for red worms? Such food will harm the red worms. They will produce disease-causing microorganisms in the pit. They will lead to slower degradation of wastes. All the above. Answer is they will produce disease-causing microorganisms in the pit. Never give the red worms food that might contain salt, pickles, oil, wine, meat, or milk preparations. When you place these items in the pit, disease-causing microorganisms begin to proliferate there. Choose the incorrect statement. Choose the incorrect statement. Eating food that has been packaged in plastics is bad for our health. When heated, plastic releases hazardous gases. Sewage drainage system benefit from plastics that are dumped on the roads. Plastics jammed in drains and sewers may result in flooding during the period of severe rain. The answer is sewage drainage systems benefit from plastics that are dumped on the road. Plastic bags that are carelessly discarded on the roadways or other surfaces enter the drainage system and sewers. Drainage become clogged as a result, and water overflows onto the roads. It might potentially result in a situation similar to a flood during heavy rains. Which of the following is an indication that rotting of garbage is complete? Which of the following is an indication that rotting of garbage is complete? Black color, no foul smell, good odor, both A and B. The answer is both A and B. Garbage finished decomposing when it is completely black in color and does not smell bad. Which of the following ought to be avoided as a spread over sand when building a comfortable residence for red worm? Which of the following ought to be avoided as a spread over sand when building a comfortable residence for the red worms? Use of green leaves, shiny peppers, dried animal dung, husks or pieces of newspapers, the answer is shiny peppers. To cover the layer of sand, one can use green leaves, fragments of dried plants, stalks, husks, or bits of newspapers or cardboard. However, you shouldn't use shiny or plastic coated paper. For this, unconditionally, dried animal dung could be sprinkled over sand. What kind of trash is disposed in the green bin? What kind of trash is disposed in the green bins? vegetable peelings, plant wastes, animal wastes, all the above. The answer is all the above. Kitchen garbage like vegetable peelings, cooked food or uncooked food, or other plant or animal wastes are collected in green bins. Which of the following is the condition required by redworms for their survival? Which of the condition required by redworms for their survival? Well hot, well cold, humid, all the above. The answer is humid. Extreme temperatures like very hot or cold are not favorable for the redworm survival. They require humidity, that is moisture, around them. Which of the following is a non-biodegradable waste? Which of the following is a non-biodegradable waste? Tree leaves, paper, glass, wool. The answer is glass. Wastes that cannot be broken down or degraded by nature or natural process are referred to as non-biodegradable wastes. Glass is a non-biodegradable waste, whereas trees, leaves, paper, and wool are biodegradable wastes. Which of the following is commonly called monisposol? Which of the following is commonly called monisposol? Waste, garbage, manure, composite. The answer is garbage. Frequently used goods like product packing, furniture, clothing, bottle, food scrap, newspapers, appliances, paint, or batteries are included in municipal solid waste, commonly known as garbage. This is a product of our workplaces, schools, hospitals, and homes. Which of the following is a bin where materials can be recycled or collected? Which of the following is a bin where materials that can be recycled are collected? Red bin, blue bin, black bin, green bin. The answer is blue bin. Materials that can be recycled are collected in blue bins. In accordance with government policy, the trash is processed right away. Which of the following is the area where garbage is thrown? Which of the following is the area where garbage is thrown? Industries, landfill, upland, dustbins. The answer is landfill. Place known as the landfill is where waste that had been collected from city or municipality are put. Later the area is transformed into a park. Which of the following is not made from plastic? Which of the following is not made from plastic? Shoes, bags, steel, toys. The answer is steel. Which of the following materials makes up papier-mâché? Which of the following materials makes up papier-mâché? Paper, rice husks, all the above. The answer is all the above. Papier-mâché is a paste made from clay and paper, in which some rice husks are also mixed. It is applied to the baskets to make them stronger. Which of the following is responsible for the rotting process? Which of the following is responsible for the rotting process? Insects, ants, microbes, mosquitoes. The answer is microbes. Microbes are chemical decomposers and responsible for the rotting process because they use chemicals in their bodies and break down organic matter. Where the garbage from the cities is collected. Where the garbage from cities is collected. Riversides, landfill, houses, New Very Colony, near Very Colony. Answer is landfill. What do the 3 R's stand for? What do the 3 R's stand for? Reduce, recycle, rot. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Recycle, rain, rot. None of the above. The answer is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Which of the following will contribute to garbage? Which of the following will contribute to garbage? Wrapper of Lay's, cans of soft drinks, used tissues from hospitals, all the above. The answer is all of the above. Thank you for participating in chemistry, garbage in and garbage out. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.